In this video, we will learn how to add QR code in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and go to the Home tab. Then click on the Add-ins option. Then click on the More Add-ins. And here you can see the Office Add-ins dialog box is open. In search box, enter the QR. I just enter QR and 4. Okay, and just click on the search option. And you can see here the QR for Office to create QR code. Just click on it and you can read the description and additional information here mentioned. So to add these add-ins in Excel, just click on the add option. Click on the continue to add this in Excel sheet. Okay, and here you can see the right hand side the QR for Office is added. The first step, enter URL or text you did like to encode. So enter here the URL. So just click on this drop down arrow. There are so many options to enter this way, your URL or text. Okay, so I enter the URL about related one website. So I enter here the news related website. So I enter ndtv.com. okay, and you can see here in preview the full size also mentions of QR code, and here ndtv.com also mentioned. Okay, so here some options available. Color, so the default color is showing the black, so you can change here the color. Just click on this drop down arrow and select your color. So I select here red color. You can see here the QR code is showing on red color. Background color is default white color. Click on this drop down arrow and select your the background color. When you select the background color, you can see the changes on the QR code. Size, if you want the most big size, so you can change here the size. And error correction, just click on drop down arrow and select. Okay, then preview of this QR code you can see here. To insert QR code in Excel sheet, select your cell and click on the insert to insert the QR code in Excel. Here you can see the some notes mentioned. You can also right click on the preview image and copy paste special or save the picture as and insert it manually also. Okay, so right click on the preview. You can see the some option. You can copy this image and paste here, and I just paste here Ctrl V. Same as just right click on the preview image and click on the save image as. You can save this image as the PNG image. So I just enter here the QR code. Okay, and click on the save. I just open file. Click on the open file. You can see here the in PNG the QR code is saved. Okay, it's a download folder. So this is a way you can create QR code in Excel sheet. When you scan this QR code in your mobile camera, you can, when you scan it, you can see the NDTV link on your camera and just click on it to open it. So this is a way you can use this QR code. You can create the QR code for your website and you can share this QR code to your friends, and when they scan this QR code, your website will open in web page. Okay, so this is so helpful. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.